Swollen feet can be a frustrating and uncomfortable condition caused by various factors such as standing for long periods, poor circulation, injury, or underlying health issues like pregnancy, arthritis, or heart problems. While it's always important to consult a healthcare professional for persistent swelling, there are many home remedies you can try to alleviate the discomfort and reduce swelling naturally. This guide will delve into some of the most effective strategies you can use to address swollen feet from the comfort of your home. 1. Elevate your feet. One of the simplest and most effective ways to reduce swelling is by elevating your feet above the level of your heart. Gravity can worsen swelling by pooling fluid in your lower extremities, and raising your legs helps redirect this fluid back into circulation. Lie on your back and prop your feet up with pillows or use a recliner for an easy way to incorporate this habit into your daily routine. 2. Stay hydrated. It might seem counterintuitive, but drinking enough water can actually help reduce swelling. When your body is dehydrated, it retains fluids, leading to more swelling. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Adding lemon to your water can boost its anti-inflammatory effects, as lemon has natural detoxifying properties. 3. Soak in Epsom salt. A warm Epsom salt bath can work wonders for swollen feet. Epsom salt contains magnesium sulfate, which helps reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Simply dissolve half a cup of Epsom salt in a basin of warm water, and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. This relaxing treatment can also ease muscle tension and pain, making it a perfect remedy after a long day. 4. Massage your feet. Massaging your feet is another great way to reduce swelling by stimulating blood flow and lymphatic drainage. Use gentle but firm pressure, starting at your toes and moving toward your ankles. Adding essential oils like lavender, peppermint, or eucalyptus to your massage oil can enhance the effects by soothing your skin and muscles. 5. Cold compress. Applying a cold compress can help reduce swelling by constricting blood vessels and numbing the area. Wrap a few ice cubes in a cloth or use a cold gel pack, and apply it to your swollen feet for 10 to 15 minutes. Be sure not to apply ice directly to your skin to avoid frostbite. 6. Reduce salt intake. Excess salt in your diet can cause water retention, leading to swollen feet. Cutting back on salty foods like processed snacks, fast food, and canned goods can make a significant difference. Instead, focus on incorporating potassium-rich foods like bananas, avocados, and spinach into your diet to balance sodium levels and reduce fluid retention. 7. Wear compression socks. Compression socks are a simple yet effective tool for reducing swelling by promoting better circulation. These socks gently squeeze your feet and lower legs, preventing fluid from accumulating. Compression socks are widely available and come in different levels of tightness, so choose one that feels comfortable for you. 8. Exercise regularly. Movement is essential for good circulation, which can help prevent swelling. Simple exercises like walking, stretching, or even rotating your ankles while seated can stimulate blood flow and reduce fluid buildup. Yoga poses that elevate your legs, such as the legs up the wall pose, are particularly helpful for swollen feet. 9. Use apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it a popular remedy for swollen feet. Soak a cloth in a mixture of equal parts apple cider vinegar and water, then wrap it around your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. This treatment helps draw out excess fluid and reduce inflammation. 10. Add magnesium to your diet. Magnesium is an essential mineral that helps regulate fluid balance in the body. A deficiency can contribute to swelling, so incorporating magnesium-rich foods like nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and whole grains into your diet is a great way to address the issue. If needed, consult a doctor about magnesium supplements. 11. Herbal teas for inflammation. Certain herbal teas, like dandelion and ginger tea, have diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling. Drinking a cup or two of these teas daily can encourage your body to flush out excess fluids. Always check with your doctor before trying herbal remedies, especially if you're on medication. 12. Avoid prolonged sitting or standing. Staying in one position for too long can exacerbate swelling. If your job requires you to sit or stand for extended periods, make an effort to take short breaks to walk around or stretch. This simple habit can go a long way in preventing fluid buildup in your feet. 13. Try mustard oil. Mustard oil is a lesser-known but effective remedy for swollen feet. Warm some mustard oil and gently massage it into your feet to improve circulation and reduce inflammation. The warming effect of the oil can also provide additional comfort for tired, achy feet. 14. Keep your feet cool. Hot weather can often worsen swelling. During warmer months, keep your feet cool by rinsing them in cold water or using cooling foot sprays. Wearing breathable footwear and avoiding tight shoes can also help prevent swelling. 15. Practice deep breathing. Stress and poor circulation are closely linked, and both can contribute to swollen feet. Incorporating deep breathing exercises into your daily routine can improve oxygen flow throughout your body and reduce stress-induced inflammation. Take 5 to 10 minutes each day to practice slow, deep breaths to calm your mind and support better circulation. When to see a doctor. While these remedies can help with occasional or mild swelling, persistent or severe swelling might indicate an underlying health issue like heart, kidney, or liver problems. Consult a healthcare professional if you experience swelling accompanied by symptoms such as shortness of breath, chest pain, or redness and warmth in the affected area. By incorporating these home remedies into your daily routine, you can significantly reduce the discomfort of swollen feet and improve your overall well-being. Remember, small, consistent efforts can lead to big changes. If swelling persists, don't hesitate to seek medical advice for proper diagnosis and treatment. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.